Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Topical Talks. Today we will show you how to improve stream quality in Discord. Before start this video, make sure to subscribe our channel and click the bell icon for more updates. So let's get started. First of all, open your Discord, then click on user settings, scroll down and click on voice and video, and here you will get input device and output device. To improve your stream quality, click on input device drop down. Here you have to select your microphone and then scroll down, and here you will get video settings options. If you're using third-party camera, then you have to click on this camera drop down, and here you have to select the camera you are using. Basically it will be a webcam, and then scroll down. Here you will get noise suppression. You can select crisp and then scroll down. So to improve your stream quality, you can disable gain control, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe our channel Topical Talks. We'll see you in the next video.